The Port Maria Infirmary benefited from an upgrade on Saturday. Wards were also treated to personal care, such as haircuts. The initiative was marred by controversy after Mayor of Port Maria, Fitzroy Wilson, complained about plans by local government Minister Desmond McKenzie to attend the event without notifying him. The mayor on Thursday explained he would not participate due to the apparent breach in protocol. But in the end, the local government minister did not attend, while the mayor did. Meanwhile, the project was deemed a success.
We know that everything will not be covered today, but hopefully we can continue the day going forward. It's a good look. I'm appreciative of the support from the ministry, the minister, the permanent secretary, all the team.
A day like today shows people and ensures that persons bring out their civic pride and their sense of volunteerism, because the infirmary, not only St. Mary, but those across the island, actually takes into consideration and takes care of our residents, our less fortunate across the parish.